If you need to cancel a pending transfer on OKX, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your transaction is successfully halted. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your OKX account. Access your OKX account by entering your credentials on the official website or mobile app. Make sure you are using the correct login information to avoid any issues. Step 2. Navigate to the Assets section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. In the Assets section, look for the list of pending transfers. Identify the specific transfer you wish to cancel. It will typically be marked as pending or in progress. Step 4. Select the transfer for cancellation. Click on the pending transfer to view its details. There should be an option to cancel the transfer. Make sure to read any prompts or warnings that appear before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. After selecting the cancellation option, confirm your decision when prompted. This step is crucial to ensure that the transfer is officially cancelled and that your funds are returned to your account. By following these steps, you can effectively cancel a pending transfer on OKX. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.